Lorna, you are a busy bee.
Lots to do, yeah. Lots of different stages today.
What are your 2 courses, Lorna?
I'm cooking a venison carpaccio, pickled blackberries, toasted hazelnuts, parsnip crisps. And then for my main, I'm making a roast grouse with a bread sauce, game chips, some little roasted plums, and some cavolo nero. A lot of my daily work is handling game, and it's something that I love cooking, so I thought now would be as good a time as ever to showcase that.
How do you want those grouse to be?
I want them to be nice and medium, blushing pink.
OK.
I'm serving them whole, though.
Are you? Mm-hmm. Fantastic. Lorna's got a very, very surprising menu. It's all based around game, and I like it a lot. But grouse is a really hard thing to get right. They dry out really, really quickly, and if they're undercooked, they're like jelly. I know chefs who can't cook grouse properly.
They're not the kind of things that I would make for, like, a Tuesday night dinner. But you don't want to come here and make bog standard chicken and veg, do you? You want to show off what you can do. And if I was to go out to a restaurant or something, then that's what I would order.
Are you ready to go?
Yes.
OK.
Lorna's menu sounds really, really interesting to me. Autumnal venison carpaccio. Now, carpaccio to me means it's raw. So the interesting thing there is whether there was time to chill that wonderful piece of meat sufficiently to be able to carve the slices wafer thin.
Right, you've got about 4 minutes to get all those on the plate.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, like it.
Go! Take it away, boss.
Good afternoon, gents.
Hello.
There you go. So today I've made for you a venison carpaccio, served with some pickled blackberries, toasted hazelnuts, parsnip crisps, and Parmesan cheese. Thank you very much.
I'm really impressed with this. I think the flavours work together incredibly well. Those blackberries, just slightly pickled, just delicious.
Well, if Lorna does this with the first course, I'm seriously looking forward to her grouse dish. Can't wait.
A salty flavour of parmesan and the herby flavour that she's got on that sauce as well. That's really good. That might be my favourite dish today.
7 minutes on your main course.
Yeah.
Roast grouse with bread sauce, fried bread, game chips, cavolo nero and plums. This sounds amazing. Good luck with executing all of that. That's a lot of prep and there's a lot of things that can go wrong. So I'm really impressed with Lorna.
Probably the most challenging dish on the menu to get right.
I think my sauce is way too sweet.
So how can you sour it?
I don't really know. What am I doing? Yeah. Worth a bash.
Lorna, you've got 2.5 minutes. I think you're going to do it, mate, aren't you?
Yeah.
Are you done?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So for your main course, I've made you a whole roast grouse with a bread sauce, game chips, butter grilled plums, and some cavolo nero.
Lovely.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
The grouse is well cooked. There's obvious skill here. I think probably more skill than most of the contestants we've seen.
Is taking on a big challenge. She's done a big, bold dish of food. This has got elements of greatness.
Bread sauce is seasoned really, really well, peppery, and then the flavour of nutmeg. The bird itself is cooked absolutely perfectly. That grouse is dish of the day.